In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Security Bank app. So if you want to update the Security Bank app, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is simply type in Security Bank app, search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the application for Security Bank app. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and update. If your application is already updated, instead of update option, you'll be able to find the option for open. But if your application is not updated, in this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. After the application has been updated, you'll be able to use the latest version of the application and you'll be able to access best features and smoother performance. So that is how you update Security Bank app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.